Okay, I'm on my way to finally pick up the camper with the second engine, and it's finally gonna run right. So come with me to pick it up.
Yay.
Okay, I'm picking the camper back up. It runs. You see my little plants? Let's start it. Okay, that's gonna fall. It's going. Okay, so I mother effing did it, bro. I finally got the camper back. I finally got it back, bro. This is my little home. I've just been at my mom's house, but it's not fun being at my parents' house. I feel like a freaking failure. So I have my little place back and it is running. It's running nice. This is the second engine I've had to put in it. I got it in maybe November of last year. Got the camper November. Had to put a new engine in it in January. That engine failed. The engine guy said, nope, sorry, that was your problem, not my problem. Whoops. So that was almost $4,000 in the drain, probably $4,000. So I tried to spend close to $500 trying to get that fixed, trying to get that checked, and then $500 to get the exhaust fixed. And then I got another engine from a different guy, and this one is in now, and it's finally going better. It's good, it's going. So the only issue now is the carburetor. It's not a big issue, it's just like it's got a little clogging in there. It looks newer and it wasn't doing this before. So we might just be able to put some fuel injector cleaner in it and call it good. And I could be totally fine. Worst case scenario is I have to get a new carburetor, and that's like $400 or $500 and maybe $100 labor. But this is my dream, okay, bro? I'm about to be free. I told my mom, you're never gonna see me again. I'm out of here. She said, don't say that. So I finally got this running. Her name is Charlotte. She uses she, they pronouns. And we're gonna go on a lot of mother effing adventures. She's old, but I love her. And right now I'm at AutoZone and I'm gonna get some wiper fluid because it's dirty and I need to clean the windshield. So you can hear it running, right? It sounds quiet and smooth. It was louder before, so it sounds quieter than it was before. It's a lot of little things I still gotta fix, but I'm just gonna force myself to go. I'm gonna park at a boat ramp tonight and figure out my work in the morning. I think I'm gonna work using the hotspot on my phone until I get a hotspot, a regular hotspot. And I think the phone will cut it. If it doesn't cut it, I will run to Starbucks. But if I go back and park at my mom's, I'm never gonna leave. Not really. So let me get this wiper fluid. Well, that was a lot of money. I'm covered in suds. I think if you're a perfectionist, do not go to the kind of car wash that you pay by time, because I think I spent like close to $40 or $50 because it takes a long time to wash this thing, and then some of the stuff doesn't come off no matter how hard I scrub it. But it does look a lot better, so I'm happy. I'm just tired now because that was a workout trying to scrub the top. I'm just getting the last couple things from my mom's house now and my dog, and then I'll be ready to go to my dad's and put the fuel injector cleaner in there so the carburetor can run good, and then I'm gonna clean and take a shower. Put what thing in? Oh, you offered me one? Okay, this is where I'm parked for tonight. It's on the side of a smaller highway by a boat ramp. My camera died, but I'm happy. I'm in bed. I'm in my little bed. You can't see these stars. They are glowing a little bit, so it's kind of cute. I feel comfortable. I'm all locked in. I cleaned up a little bit. Ready for the day tomorrow. My phone might die. Oh shit.